Welcome, beautiful people, to the Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? Today I will be doing lemon butter garlic fried fish. And as you can see, I'm using two snapper, and these are the red snapper. Red snapper. It's about 3 pounds of snapper. They're very big. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper. You can use the black pepper. You don't have to use the cayenne pepper. You can use the black pepper. But this is a cayenne pepper. And pink salt. 1 lemon. Some green scallion. And mainly, I take the top off. I just need basically the greener portion of the scallion, like here. Also, I have 6 cloves of garlic. 6 cloves of garlic. This extra one, the garlic come like this. So you have to ensure you shell the garlic out from the trash. And it's easy. It's an easy way you can always get it out. You can just use the knife. Get the knife like this and use it. And you just press on it. And the moment you press on it, you just come the top and it come right out, just like this. So with our fish, guys, you can see, let me get, also I will be using 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. And this is the butter I'm using. The butter for frying. And you need your skillet or the frying pan. And it have to be heated on the fire with the butter before you're even thinking of putting the fish in. So let me just push this one side. So we're gonna focus on the fish now. So normally when you buy the fish, they always gut it, take the gut out. You see, the gut is out, the gill is out. Look at the next one, the gill is out and the gut is out. But you just don't want to leave it there. Okay, guys? As we know, right now, everything is really expensive. So you're going to get your knife. You see this scale coming off. So you have to ensure that you scale the fish. Although they scale it, but still, you have to ensure you use your knife over on it. You see all these scale flying all over. And they already take the fin off from this one. But this one still have the tail. So you're just gonna take your clipper or the scissors and you're gonna cut the tail off. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I'll be cleaning it. So now, beautiful people, we finished preparing our fish. Okay, so we're gonna rinse now under cold water. And don't worry yourself if you don't have lemon or lime to rinse the fish, because as everything is really expensive, so don't kill yourself if you don't have the lemon. You're gonna get some salt and you pour the salt, and you're just gonna use the salt to rinse the fish. You have to ensure that you pat dry the fish. This fish is fine, so you want to pat dry it. So now that we pat dry our fish with all our seasoning that we have here, we're gonna combine everything together. You just want to combine all the seasoning in one container. Hey, beautiful people, please be sure to subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell so you will be the first one to be notified when D-Don is doing a video. So now that we mix it up, it looking like this. I'm gonna give a little slice like there, not too thick. Next one right here, and then you're gonna get your seasoning, and you're gonna rub from the inside. Sprinkling the inside first, rub it in. I'm gonna rub it in. And you're just gonna cover, or you can wrap it and just let it remain there just for a while, like even 15-20 minutes. You don't have to cover it because you don't want it to be sweating, so just let it rest for the time. So guys, you just wanna put your frying pan or the skillet on the fire and let it be heated for like within 1 second. It's heated, and then you're just gonna put the butter in. Remember I told you about 2 tablespoons of butter. And now you're gonna place the fish in. You're gonna let each side fry for 5 minutes. 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side. Right now the fire is on high heat, but when I turn it over, then I'm going to turn the fire down. because you really don't want the fish to burn too quick. And this is butter. So it's 5 minutes now, guys, and we're gonna turn the fish over. You're gonna cut the lemon. The lemon have seed in it, so that's the reason why you have to use a sieve or strainer to squeeze the lemon juice out. Now, remove the fish from the frying pan. And we have the butter. See, all of this is the butter. So you're gonna put the scallion and the garlic in. And you just want this to become translucent. Not gonna take any time because the pot already heated. Now we're gonna add some water. With a little tomato ketchup in it, just to give it some flavor and add some coloring. Also, you're gonna pour your lemon juice in now. And I'm just gonna let this come to a quick boil. Now we're gonna place back the fish inside. Just gonna let it remain like 5 more minutes. Let it soak up that lemon and garlic. Remember, we already fried in butter. So beautifully looking, guys. The aroma is in the air. I can't wait. I'm so hungry. So we're just gonna give it 5 minutes. As I said before, see how colorful it getting. You see, guys. This is the lemon butter garlic fried fish. Ain't it looking gorgeous? Mouth watering. Beautiful people, it's so simple to prepare. You can just find some little seasoning around in your house and you prepare your lemon garlic butter fried fish. And I think you should give it a try. So guys, please remember to thumbs up, share, and subscribe. I thank you, beautiful people, for watching DE Dawn Kitchen. Love, peace.